Welcome to NXL 360. I'm not alone. I've got two football friends, Coach KP, known as Cabello. Cabello, hey, I think it looks good today. Your wife is doing a wonderful job. People learn from you how to do lighting proper. How are you?
I'm blessed, and how are you? Welcome, Bobzid.
We've got
Yes.
Bobo. You know him from It Is TV. Welcome, Bobo. We are so delighted and happy to have you.
No, thanks, my brother. I'm really appreciate, guys, for inviting Abonga Kulba for it. Thank you very much, guys.
No, I appreciate you, my brother, being here. Guys, it's very simple. Africa Cup of Nations has ended. Bafana didn't win the Africa Cup of Nations as people thought they will win. Reason being, they lost to Cameroon, the indomitable Lions of Africa, the second most successful team in Africa. Honestly speaking, the president of Cameroon Football Federation is a former player, the highest top goal scorer in the history of Cameroon, Samuel Eto'o. If you look at the players that they have, one of them was playing for Manchester United. Then Bayern Leverkusen. They've got quality. When compared to Bafana, one would say it's not surprising Cameroon lost. But the big question now is shifting to lots of analysts. They are saying the coach must go. He's not good enough. Must go back. Pizzo must take over. There are lots of stories I'm hearing around. I don't like it. I don't like them. But we'll go back to that a bit later. Now the big question, guys, is Mamelodi Sundowns have signed players like Reyners, Jaden Adams, Apasadine, Tapelo Masego, who we were told at one point in time was training the GTC. Those players before joining Sundowns, they were already part of the national team setup. Sure, Jaden Adams was part of the last Africa Cup of Nations squad, but he didn't play. But just like Apollos didn't play. So in this squad, Apollos was one of the outstanding players. Is it not killing the national team if Sundowns sign players, then put them on DTC team, then go to South America or Europe? Then they say those players who come from Europe should play. That's the big question. It's very simple and straightforward. I believe Sundowns is highly compromising the national team. I'm tempted to say, actually, what they're doing, their line of business on the verge of trying to be the best team in Africa is compromising Bafana, because if you look at the players like Jaden Adams, I mean, at one point in time, Katlego Mashowa said he's the most talented midfielder in South Africa. If you look at a guy like Tapelo Masego, exciting at SuperSport United under Gavin Hunt, he did so well that SuperSport United. At one point in time, he was wanted in Europe. Ended up at Sundowns because suddenly SuperSport changed from being a professional football team and became a development of Mamelodi Sundowns. That's why he was promoted to Sundowns. There are players like Kick and Johannes who went to Sundowns. That's the last time. We don't know if they are still playing a clock up or they hang around beside Pumlong. I don't know. Bobo, what's your take about this subject? Do you think Sundowns is killing Bafana by signing Bafana players due to tough competition? Some of the players obviously don't make the squad. Then it ends up compromising the national team.
Yeah, thanks, Nadim, for your question, Yako. But into issue number one, ukuthi ngiphendule lula. It's a big no with capital letter, according to my understanding, because we must go back to some of the teams like the so-called big teams. Ukuthi before bebekade bazenza lezi zinto zokusayina ama-quality players kumaqembu abo yini na? So if the answer is yes, why if teams like Sundowns, because Sundowns, I think they check strategy sokusayina abadlali. Remember, Chiefs and Pirates, they have already gained advantage of signing abadlali ku transfer window, because if we are playing kuma lower division, everyone wants to play for Chiefs and Pirates, but Sundowns can't mesh ngendlela ku-market i-Chiefs ne-Pirates isebenza ngakhona. So into abayenza ukuthini ukuthi no man, let's use i-strategy nathi sase-Europe, let's use i-financial muscle to buy quality players so that sikhona ukurisha lento esiyidingayo siyi-Mamelodi Sundowns, because Mamelodi Sundowns, if you can check uma ungabheka the way baplane ngakhona, i-planning yabo is to conquer, washo Dr. Patrice Motsepe, is to conquer Africa. Even though they are failing, they keep on trying. But I think ama-signing wabo ayakutshela ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns the way bangakhona. That's why I look at now they managed to play FIFA Club World Cup twice. Lokho kukutshelani yini na ukusho kona ukuthi the more ba participate kuma African competition kubenza ukuthi babe khona kuma rankings walapha ku FIFA Club World Cup. That is why I'm not surprised to see Sundowns ila ikhona, because ngendlela ngibona i-management Sundowns iyenza ngakhona i-planning yabo kunalaba bafuna ukufika khona namanye ama-team ongabheka abazimiselanga or akusi ngendlela bona bafisa ukubona lawo maqembu afika lapho. Remember teams like abo Kaizer Chiefs bake bahlala bangayidlali i-African competition because babona ngathi ayinayo imali. So mina ngiyacabanga ukuthi those players esikhuluma ngabo abasayinwa yi-Sundowns before sibabona baya ku-DTC, let's try ukucheck ukuthi did Sundowns give them or gave them opportunity to play. Players like Maseko was doing well ku-AFL. He did well ku-AFL. Uma ungabheka la ekhaya unikiwe i-chance, but he was struggling. And if the player is struggling, you must try also to bring another player ozoyenza ngcono, because uyazi ukuthi wena ufunani. Number 2, abadlali abafana nabo Jaden. When Jaden signed ku Mamelodi Sundowns, akazange ahlale ebenchini. He came straight to the first lineup of Mamelodi Sundowns. So if he's not doing well, a coach unelungelo lokumsideline abheke omunye umdlalo ozomnikeza ama results, because at the end of the day if the coach i-team ingawini umsebenzi wakhe uba mncane. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi liningi labadlali, even Mashego uyitholile i-chance ku Mamelodi Sundowns if singaba honest. Before sibabona baya ku DTC, ngiyacabanga kumele siyibheke lento ukuthi banikiwe ithuba yini na. Awubona a player like uBasading, I think so far uyu mdlali engasho ngithi akalitholanga ithuba ku Mamelodi Sundowns, because we saw him playing right back. Ubona ukuthi they're trying ukuthi bamsqueeze kuleya lineup ye-Sundowns, but yena uMdiba noLunga bambambisa nzima kuleya position. So ilento engishoyo nami ukuthi asibhekeni kucala ukuthi labadlali banikiwe yini chance na. And remember kunalento yokurefresha i-team. If i-team uyibona, even if une quality, sometimes ukurefresha kwe-team kwenza abadlali baphakamise izinga. The more abadlali bacompete to each and every position, banikeza i-team ama results. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi before singayi-attack ngaleyo ndlela, we have teams abakwazi ukusayina more than 10 players per season, while Sundowns they can only sign less than 5 players. So kumele siyibheke nalento. Those who are signing labadlali abaningi nabo, they are trying lokho abakutrayako. I can give you example like nge-team efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs, they sign abadlali kubo Moroka Swallows, abadlali abafana nabo uSolomon, abadlali abafana nabo Kamogelo, abadlali abafana nabo Sigotla, the former defender of the season uNgcobo. They sign abo they sign abadlali abafana nabo Dupreez, ku-Stellenbosch, Quinika Stellenbosch. Ngikhuluma ngabadlali abanama collab bafana abadlali abafana nabo Msimango from TS Galaxy bebanama collab kubafana but bathe uma bafika ku Kaizer Chiefs abazange basakhona ukubuyela ku national team. Nako lokho, if we are saying Sundowns is killing ibafana, some of the teams that are signing abadlali bekade badlala ku national team kulama qembu lawo, but uma bafika kuleyo team abasakwazi ukubuyela ku national team. Nayo loyo, it's a part of killing yebafana, because if you can leave those players badlale kulama team abo, look at Modi.
Okay, so uyavuma ukuthi signing players then they join a team like Sundowns, mabesa abadlali, it has killed the national team.
3 big teams yase South Africa, they are killing ibafana because they all signing quality players from those so-called small teams. Babalete kuma team abo, and some of the players are not playing. Look at now, where is Saleng? Saleng is not playing. Bamtete bamlona ku team
But it's interesting because you said a big no. Now you have with the 3 big teams are signing. Then actually, no,
it's a big no when you say Sundowns is killing Bafana. It's a big no. At least if you can say including Chiefs and Pirates, I can say yes.
Can you give me 2 players that were playing for the national team before joining Chiefs or Pirates? They went to Chiefs. Babesa basadlali babayisa DBC. Then they went to South America or Europe. They played players who are not South African. Because for me, if Sundowns were replacing South Africans, those players like Masego with South African players, I would say it doesn't really kill a national team. Competition is very important in football. Football is a competitive sport. No one is guaranteed a place. Can you give me an example of players who were signed to Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs, who were part of Bafana Bafana's coach before? Then when they went to Pirates, Pirates and Chiefs went outside of the country and signed players in that position.
I think it's fair if we can say players laba bebadlala kulama team babasayina, but now they are no longer playing Bafana Bafana, because if we can say sending them to TTC, for a player ukungadlali nokuya ku TTC yini okungcono? Going to TTC, I think it's much better than ukungadlali. Ku Kaizer Chiefs we have umdlalo ofana nomsimango from TS Galaxy, we have umdlalo ofana no Dupreez from Stellenbosch. Bonke bebanama collab Bafana Bafana, if I'm not mistaken. You can go to Orlando Pirates, sinabadlala bafana nabo Saleng bebadlala ku national team. If ngikhumbula kahle sinomdlalo ofana no Zakhele Lipasa, the striker of former striker of Orlando Pirates. He was playing, but when it's Chiefs and Pirates, we are saying injuries abalimazile abadlali ukuze bangatholi game time. But when Sundowns are saying abadlali balimazwa ngama injuries, we are saying Sundowns ayikhuluma iqiniso. Look at now, we are crying about Umvala. We all know Umvala was injured.
Were those players, was Zakhele Lipasa and Saleng playing for Bafana Bafana before joining Pirates?
No, bage baba nama collab. Mara before Orlando Pirates, I don't think they played for Bafana Bafana. No. Yeah, Lapo, you're right.
They never played for Bafana Bafana before joining Pirates.
Yeah, we are right.
Mm.
But they were promising to play Bafana Bafana Umabago Orlando Pirates. Am I wrong?
Okay,
No,
let's
you're
say
not
Coach
wrong, Bobby.
KP.
You're not wrong.
Coach KP come in.
Sorry?
Bobo is saying that the three big teams there. Let's go to Coach KP. See the point there.
Look, man, I don't agree with the fact that Mamelodi Sundowns is killing the national team, because we are basing that only on the fact that the players that they are signing. You know, Nadima always say an agent and the player have got a choice to join any team that they want. Whether it's $1 million that is coming or whether it's 500, it's your choice to say, yes, I will go to Mamelodi Sundowns to compete. I'll give you a typical example. You are a youngster like Jaden Adams. You're saying, I'm going to go to Mamelodi Sundowns. You are being bought in as a what? As a 10, as an 8, or as a 6. Jaden Adams can play either of those positions. But who are they already playing? You have Themba Mshishi Zwane, whom when they bought Jaden Adams, Zwane was injured. So maybe that gave him that thing that I will play. And then you have Tebza Mrembola, whom you and I and anyone in South Africa can agree that he's one of the best midfielders we have in South Africa. And then you have your Cellular Cellular or Allende. Already that three, they put you on your second option. Already you are joining a team knowing very well that you're a second option. But because you hear everyone when they're being asked, they'll tell you, I want to win a league. So maybe some of these players, Nadine, they join Sundowns because Sundowns has been dominating and they want to be part of, I've won a Bedway Premiership. So I think it's unfair to say Mamelodi Sundowns is killing South African football. I think what is killing South African football is not having majority of South African teams competing in CAF Champions League. Because if we were to have 3 or 4 teams competing season in, season out in CAF Champions League, like I'll give you a typical example. You just touched on Bafana Bafana. The Bafana Bafana that went 3rd place with majority of Mamelodi Sundowns players. If you look at those players, they've been playing Champions League season after season, season after season. So they were there. And then you come up, you have an Orlando Pirates that went to the semi-final. But this season, they can't make it to that same Champions League. So there's a bit of... I think some of the teams are not ambitious enough, like Mamelodi Sundowns, which I feel that's what is killing South Africa. I mean, Nadim, between you and I, if Chiefs was competing in Champions League, if Pirates is in Champions League, Sundowns is in Champions League, then we wouldn't be complaining about Africa's experience, because we've got our big teams going there. They don't have to go to the semi-final. but go maybe up until last 8. If they were competing season in, season out, I think we would have a better national team. So right now it's unfair because we are only looking based on Sundowns players. Yes, I'll agree with you when you say there are certain players that are being at Sundowns. They came in there already as national team players. Again, Obasadi, he was a national team player, but he had an option. Rumor has it that Chiefs wanted him, Pirates wanted him. He opted for Sundowns. Sundowns maybe went with the big money, but he still had a contract. He could have said, no, I'm not going to Sundowns. There's no team that will force you to go there, but he chose to go to Sundowns. So I feel we need to be honest. You spoke about Johannes, whom he came in. I'm asking myself between you and I, Nadim, and I just want a straight answer. Johannes came in at Mamelodi Sundowns as what? As a right back. If he's coming as a right back, who is he going to replace? None of those right back there. And unless I don't know what the coach is there. So meaning he's there to say, okay, I'll be there, I'll learn. Maybe after 2 seasons I'll get a chance. So I don't believe, I don't agree with the fact that Sundowns is killing the national team. What is killing the national team currently is the fact that the other big 2 teams, like Ubo said, the big 3 teams need to consistently be playing in CAF Champions League. That way we'll have a competitive national team. I think the Hugo Bruce will also have a pool of players, knowing very well they are playing, they are competing at the highest level as they can in Africa. I think that is what is killing South Africa currently.
Okay, what's killing the national team? I agree with you, Coach KP. I don't think you understand me very well. I'm telling you that players like Powers Basatine, Jaden Adams, Terence Mashiu, Tapelo Masek, they are not Jody Pepwa. They are not playing at the moment at Sundowns. Those are the players who should be playing in the PSL, making Bafana strong. Is it not signing a lot of quality players that you are not going to use? Because the problem is that that's why teams like Real Madrid, you'll never find them having more than 21 players. You know why? They don't want to have players they are not going to use. It's simple and straightforward. That's why Enrique, they knew that he's not going to get enough minutes. They said he must go to Lyon. Sundowns have more than 38 players. They know very well that they are going to want. They're owned by a person who's a billionaire who can afford to buy any player that he wants. That creates 38 quality players in one team. Bafana obviously will get affected because if a team like Stellenbosch gets an offer for Jaden Adams or Basatine, they will say yes. And there will pinpoint where Peter Msimane saying they were signing players in Rulani to disrupt competition. There was a story at one point in time where Sundowns signed Terence Mashiho because they didn't want Pirates or Chiefs to have them. There was a story of Sundowns signing George Malulega because they wanted to disrupt Chiefs from winning the league. That is killing Bafana according to me, because those players should be playing in the PSL, because Sundowns don't sign them because they're average players. They are one of the most talented players in the country. The scouting of Sundowns is brilliant. It could be the best as well in South Africa. For me to say, for you to say, you guys, that is not killing the national team, having players who are one team having 38 quality players who were playing for Bafana before. I'm talking about players who are playing for Bafana before. Then they join Sundowns, they are not playing. I'm surprised that you are saying that's not killing the national team.
Nadim, the very same players, there's a contract that gets to be sent to them. You've got an option to agree to the contract or disagree. No one comes with a gun. So it comes to a point where some will say some players choose money over their career. Do we also overlook the fact that maybe others are looking at the fact that, you know what, this man is going to change my life? We cannot.
Exactly. That's the point which the money of Sundowns is killing Bafana, because talented players, they will always go to Sundowns because one, there's more money. That money is killing the national team because we don't get to see. I don't think there's a talented player of more than Masego on that position.
I think.
But then, sorry, Bobs, and I'll give you just a. Then it's a problem, Nadim, because as a player, you look at yourself. What do you want? You are 21 years old. You want to choose money over your career. That's a problem. If you remember Oscar, it's Oscar, former Chelsea guy. He said it. He came in an interview when he went to China. He said, I'm going to go for money because I'm looking at where I come from. career doesn't say. I remember his words. He said accolades doesn't mean anything to him. What means more is the money. So it means the very same players as well. They need to be held accountable. We cannot hold Sundowns accountable. I'll give you a
No, they
typical
can't be held
example.
accountable. Players.
No, wait, Nadim,
No,
I'll give you a
that's not so.
typical
I
example.
disagree with you. Players will
Wait,
always go where they. No, players
That's
will
where the
always go
problem is.
where there's money. No.
Currently,
Players
the
will
team,
go where there's money.
so the
Okay,
team that
Bobo,
is
come in.
currently on top of the league. Wait, Bobo, I'll come to you. The team that is currently on top of the league, this season alone, we've signed 12 players. So what's going to happen to the players that were already in
Name
the
one
team?
player. Name one player at Pirates that was at Bafana before joining Pirates. Who's not playing at Pirates?
Well,
One player. I
Camilo
thought.
was one of those players.
No.
Mawasa
But
before Hugo Broos.
they are speaking something that doesn't make sense. You said Pirates signed 12 players. Out of those 12
Yes.
players, which player was signed was part of Bafana? In the Cameroon have been joined Pirates more than 4 seasons ago. So it doesn't make sense what you're saying.
But what
Name
happened-
one player.
What happened to
Name
you?
one player out of the players who were signed at Pirates who was part of Bafana now not playing.
Well, with the 12 that they've signed currently, I can't think of anyone right now.
Exactly. That's
But
why what you're saying, you don't have a point. You come in, Bobo.
Yeah, and also futhi into kumele sibheke guys, we must look at kulama team njengoba nithi okay, Sundowns they sign players ebekade badlala ku national team but uma bafika bangadlali. The advantage of Orlando Pirates, if we are playing ku small
Correct.
team and you sign by Orlando Pirates, at least uthole advantage yokuthi it's easy to play ku national team. Look at the players like Abonemtajela. They were doing well ku Marumo Gallants. Because of most of us guys, we are watching A game. We don't watch Chippa United against Bulukwane City. Go and watch Muremi. Muremi was doing well ku Amazulu, but bekangabizwa ku national team. Mbuli was performance yaka Mbuli ku Sikhukhune. It was on top kunale engibona ku Orlando Pirates. But Mbuli when signed by Orlando Pirates, wathole opportunity to play ku national team. So lama team afana nabo Orlando Pirates, Sundowns, Chiefs, unokugain advantage.
So Pirates is helping players. So what I say,
No,
what
no,
you are saying,
listen.
Pirates is helping players play for Bafana.
No. I'm trying to say Pirates, Chiefs, Sundowns are big teams. No, I mean it's a good disadvantage if we are playing kuma small teams. Sign with one of the biggest team. Ubane advantage yokudlala ku national team. That's what I can say. And remember, na Sundowns, not everyone basayinayo basuka badlala ku national team. Mvala was not playing ku national team when Sundowns signed Mvala ku Highlands Park, if you remember very well. When abadlala bafana nabo Neo Maema. Sorry?
Total lama Olympics bakadala kubo kuma Olympics ase Zimbabwe ne. Umvala.
Yeah,
I saw you were playing in Olympics football.
No.
No.
In the national team.
No, he was playing in the Olympics. So it means I was watching Olympics from Zimbabwe because I saw him playing in the Olympics for the national team.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, but then
I saw him playing
Listen,
against
okay,
Brazil.
okay. You are right.
Neymar playing for the national team. So that was Olympics from Nigeria. Ne?
Ilayini yakhe yanqamuka uthi anguzwa kahle.
Okay, I'm saying Mvala played for national team before joining Sundowns. Okay, let's move on, guys. Mangoba Mnich is a former Sundowns coach in Yamazine. He said foreign focus is hating Bafana. Mangoba Mnich said foreign focus but from memory is hating Bafana. Nyakumbula shoja. Nyampigi sapin.
Yeah. No, it's hard. It's hard to go against what he said.
Can you hear him?
Yeah, we can hear you very well. Yeah.
Yes.
No, I mean when
Yeah, ngiyakuzwa 100%. Ngiyakuzwa 100%.
Okay, buthi coach Manqoba uthizeni?
Uthi foreign focus is hating Mamelodi Sundowns. It's hating Bafana basically. He's agreeing with me. The former Mamelodi Sundowns coach is agreeing with Nadim that Sundowns is focused on hating South American players or European players. It's hating Bafana.
Itingene kuleyo Nadim. Let me tell you something, Nadim. If now you are married, then umngakho akasho something ngawe but uma ngicela ukudivorce kukhona amagama azowakhuluma I don't take that person serious mina because ngalesa sikhathi yena alapho kuleyo position bekangayiboni yini lento na because it's one of these guys ebekade basayina those players so if someone uzosho something because of angasekho kuleyo environment kusho kona ukuthi akanali iqiniso bekumele ukuthi lento ayikhulume asasekhona kuleyo position ukuthi no mina ithi ngabasebenzisa ama South American ithi ngawasayina ama South American because ama signing we Sundowns awayenza umuntu oyi1 he was there he was involved kulama signing and he was also part of those coaches ebekade basebenzisa those South Americans so if now coach azobuya athi no lokhu nalokhu kuleya team akukho right mina I don't take you serious because you were there you are one of labantu bekade benza lento efana naleyo so ngiyacabanga ukuthi maybe kunaloko akukhuluma mhlambe ucoach because of kunaloko aqonda ukukusho but mina I don't take abo coach abanjalo ngalendlela ukuthi ngithi no lento ayikhulumayo i-right because he was there wayangasitshelanga before wayangayenzanga umehluko yena ngalesa sikhathi so ngiyacabanga ukuthi ayikho fair ngaleyo ndlela na team
ngiyakuzwa kahle Bobo coach KB you said you agree with Mangoba ufuna ukuchange manje after hearing uBobo
No, I'm saying I didn't say I agree with him. I'm saying it's hard to disagree with what he's saying because he was inside. So with what Uwobo has just said, he's giving me a different view because Nadine, I can't now be sitting and winning leagues with the so-called South Americans and I'm not saying anything. Now I go, I play, I'm coaching a team that I cannot go and sign the very same players. And I come and say those things. The very same Mangoba, one of his star players is not even South African. He's from Zimbabwe
Yes.
or somewhere. Yeah. So why is he not taking him out, play local based only? So I don't.
No,
think
he was
that's
referring to Raichino and Nuno Santos.
So he's got an issue with what Mamelodi.
They were
Sundowns
not
is
there.
doing.
They were not there when Mangoba
But Serino
But there were
was
other
there
players that
No.
were there.
Allende was there
How many players from South America were there when Mangoba was there? Mangoba was telling the truth.
Almenza was
using
there
a lot
Afonso
of-
was there Can I tell you
But
those
was not-
players
was not playing
Almenza
there.
was there Afonso
But Mangoba was
Almenza
not playing there.
Afonso
They were not playing. They were not playing.
okay listen listen a player like uLucas bekakhona kuleya team yakaManqoba a player like uSirino
Yeah.
bekakhona uNasimento was there
Bangadlali.
Nasimento was coached
Was
by
not
coach
playing.
Manqoba angisho sorry
No, but I'm just saying, Mangoba Mniti in the team where he was the head coach. Check how many players. Most of the players you are mentioning, they were no longer playing.
no but Nasimento
It was
was
only-
playing Serino
was
was
only
playing Allende was
Allende.
playing
It was only under Mangoba Mniti when he was the head coach. It was only Allende and Ribeiro, only the foreign players. And Shaudin.
What about-
That's it.
no
No.
Manqoba was the assistant coach. I think Manqoba spent almost 10 years Mamelodi Sundowns. Those
No,
players
when
were there.
When
Were
an
simple.
assistant no, I'm not talking about when he was an assistant coach. I'm talking about when he's the head
But-
coach.
But Nigeria,
When was the head coach?
it's difficult. No, it's difficult to judge it there because he didn't even play more than 10 games. Yeah,
Yes.
No,
you
but Mangoba
cannot
coach.
say no.
As a head
Mangoba
coach.
coach with
As a head
Rulani
coach.
for a full season when they wanted trouble. We don't know Mangoba and Rulani wanted trouble with
was a
Sundowns. We don't know that.
There was a
As a head
co-coach.
coach. He was
Not as a head coach. Co-coach with coach Manqoba.
Exactly. But Smith was in charge. He was the senior coach. He was the co-coach, but Mangoba was senior to Rulani. They wanted trouble with players who were mainly South Africans. That's a fact.
No, Nadim. You just stated that Allende was playing
The
there.
only-
Lucas Rivera
Sundowns wanted
was
trouble.
there.
If people question that Sundowns wanted trouble, they wanted trouble Sundowns.
Yeah.
But
He was
what is the
even
assistant? What is the assistant, Nadim? Which means as an
Mangoba
assistant, you
was
don't
not an
have a say.
assistant. No, it depends. Bokothi bazotshela now. Mawuthi uyamtshela athi ayambo batshela, hambo batshela futhi ba right. You don't have
But
that much
when-
say as an
when-
assistant.
When coaches sign players, I think the whole technical team bahlala phansi babheke uma ngabe someone uza ne-suggestion yokusayina abadlali and you will agree. If you disagree, you angeke ngiya understand ukuthi he was there, he was a part of labantu bekade,
No,
he was
it
a
depends
coach.
with him. It depends with him. A Chiefs and Pirates, do you think lama interpreters bayawabiza ukuthi want to sign this person? At Pirates, do you think Owato what the whole squad was signed when he joined Pirates? Do you think Owato Bambuza? The team was already there. Was not. It depends which team. Even now, Rulane. Part of the reason Rulane led Sundowns is because Flemingbeck wanted his team and Rulane wanted his team. So there was a clash because football has moved away from. That's why coaching like Pitts, they are no longer coaching now. Football has moved away where a coach would decide, I want this one, I want this one. Teams now, they are entrusting, in terms of transfer activity, they are entrusting sporting directors to be the one running the team.
Kunala ngakuzwa khona but Natim kunala ukhatha khona. I can't hear you kahle ngendlela right. I don't know what's wrong. But network yakho nje inokulahleka man.
Yeah. No, sorry, but ngiyakuzwa kahle. Yeah, ngiyakuzwa kahle.
Yeah,
Okay,
but
okay.
Nadim, with what you have just said, it still doesn't say that what Umagnova was saying he was right. I don't agree with that, man. What has just stated it. We can't say now that you are coaching, you don't see all those things, and then when you leave, you go up. And I mean, Sundowns had to reinforce. Sundowns is there. Sundowns is ambitious. They know what they want to do. You just alluded that they want to conquer.
No. He's saying
how much they now?
He's saying the focus. Okay, and when Mangoba Mingiti was there, the fact is you guys
also,
do agree or don't agree. Sundowns will sign many local players.
And
now,
also, Natim,
they are signing more European players than local players.
But how many players South America baku Sundowns? It's not the whole of the team. I think we have abadlali inamba yabadlali kumele ubadlalise uba-register team yakho ama foreign players. So how many players? Because I'm a South American from Dali Sundowns isayina ama South American. Yalanda bo George Acuna. Ilanda abadlali abaningi kakhulu eSouth America yabaletha ngapha bazodlala. Sinabadlali njengoba ngitshela ngithi abadlali abafana nabo abo Nascimento abo Ashley Smith.
It doesn't work at Sundowns. I think it doesn't work at Sundowns. Sundowns has a way of. I once watched Sundowns. They play more than 7 foreign players in one game.
No.
Was the captain.
More than 7 players.
No. Sundowns, they know how to neutralize players to become South Africans. I want to watch Sundowns with 7 foreign players play.
How many?
No.
7. Which lineup is that? 7.
From
7
Nigeria and all those.
No, which lineup is that? 7. Unganginikeza le lineup ngikhumbule kancane. 7 foreign players ku Sundowns. Uma unganginikeza yona mhlawumbe.
Yes.
I don't remember.
Yeah, I don't remember. Yeah, I don't remember all of them, but Nyakumbula Nyandoro was there, Nafo was there, Penembe was there, Dennis Onyango was there. There were lots of foreign players. Even Schule, that guy from Lomlung was there, Netherlands, was the captain. So there were lots of foreign players in one. They know how to neutralize them, to give them citizenship. When you ask, okay, Schule, they were saying that guy was a South African, remember, the captain of Sundowns. So they know how to neutralize them. So it doesn't work, that one.
So Nadim, how long is this thing? So you are saying Sundowns has been doing this for the longest time, but it's only coming evident now in South Africa that it's killing South Africa. Yeah. I don't agree to that.
And remember, Coach KB.
No.
Coach KB. If it's been like Iskate City Sundowns doing this, why besinga qualify? But now Sundowns, a lot of players abadlala Sundowns are there with national team, but we are qualifying. But before beyikhona lento besinga qualify. So what is the difference? Because mangithi ngiyayibheka lento. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi
guys, I hear you and I respect your opinion, but the fact is the Powers Pasadine, Jaden Adams, Chapelo Masigo, Terence Machio to the February, Sipombule, they were not playing at Sundowns. Even Obas, when he joined Sundowns, was the national team. At the moment, he's not playing at Sundowns. Lots of players join Sundowns as the Bafana players or part of the team. Then they join Sundowns, they are not playing. That is killing the national team because those players, Hugo Bruce is not going to select players from the stands. At least if he on the bench and play feature 50% of the game, he will not select players from the stands. Not having players like Jaden Adams, was people were saying is one of the most talented midfielders. Not having Pasadine, people were saying is the number 1 left back at one point in time. And even Hugo Bruce, at one point in time, he started in 5 games. That is killing Bafana according to me.
Nadim, I repeat, and I'll stick to this point. For as long as we don't have the other teams playing Champions League season in, season out, we will forever put blame on Sundowns. Let's say, for argument's sake, Sundowns does somehow starts playing bad. Now they are off form. They finish third and fourth. So now we are going to blame Sundowns that Bafana is not qualifying. For Bafana to qualify.
No, why not? It's a very simple point. They buy players who are Bafana, then they don't play. It doesn't even a great who can here is the understanding thing.
Coach KB,
Even a
Coach
young
KB.
child can understand it. You know, man, they buy Bafana players and put them in the stands. It's affecting the national team. Simple as that.
And
They
Coach
buy
KB,
players.
and also
Remember,
not
Sundowns
only
is-
competing.
when they scout in the national team. Sundowns is scouting the national team. Sundowns when they scout. I don't understand what's so difficult in understanding that Sundowns they buy Bafana players, then they don't play him. It affects the Bafana coach because it's not going to select players are not playing in their clubs.
I think Natim, not everyone osayinwa iSundowns usuka dlala kubafana. We sign abomdunyelwa now I think abadlali abaningi uma sikhuluma ngama Olympic Games nani I understand, but sikhuluma ngabadlali ocabanga ukuthi bebadlala ku national team ukuthi mawungababiza manje bangadlala even nabo lama team afana nalawo they sign abadlali abaziyo ukuthi abanye bakhona equality imaterial yebafana. Remember isquad esayenza abantu ba celebrate eMbombela beku squad la khona when Chiefs sign players they sign abadlali bazi ukuthi balande uShaba adlala ku NFD. Remember uShaba I think udlale kubafana adlala ku NFD ku Free State Stars if I'm not mistaken. So you can see ukuthi nabo lama team bewasayina abadlali abaziyo ukuthi those players by material bafana because
Chiefs is helping Bafana taking players
Sorry?
from NFT then back them up for the World Cup. That's what they're saying.
Nah, Nadim,
Unadino, angimuzwa kahle, yes, angimuzwa kahle. And Coach KB, and Coach KB,
yes,
angithanda ipoint yakho when you say must compete ku African football, and not only ku African football, even here ku Betway, those three teams must compete. That is why I'm saying if Chiefs, Pirates, Sundowns come to the party, it's easy for a head coach of Bafana to make a selection because of labadlala bayabadlala kulama team. We understand. Asikhulumi ngama team mhlamba amancane and also go uyobheka kulama team amancane and abroad then uba ne team strong. We understand. So mina ngibhekile nala ekhaya amanye ama team kumele abuye azojoina kube ne competition strong so that kuzoba lula for selection. I know ukuthi ku social media kuzolwiwa ucoach kuzoyenza ama selection because of the pressure zoyithola ku social media because Tina I know ukuthi sinjalo la ekhaya we social media is too much kakhulu. That is why se hyper nabadlali ukuthi coach ayenze selection because I love lo mdlalo loyo. If ngithanda uLibusa I'm going to hype uLibusa to say coach must select uLibusa. Libusa is doing well and we bheke nalento even nabantu ngifuna ukuyisho nje kahle nabantu abakhona aba podcast ama game wethu banayo lento yokuthi they can give you slow motion somdlalo ebamfunayo ukuthi bafuna umbone kahle ukuthi lo mdlali lo angayodlala ku national team. Hamba uyobheka nje uma ubukela igame uzobheka amanye ama slow motion ukuthi ay useless na team. Uyabona ukuthi umuntu ufaka ishibobo asisabukeli negoli elizongena ngapha ne build up asayiboni baloko bakubonisa lo mdlali ukuthi uze ubone noma ungabonanga kahle ukuthi the day benze selection now uzosho ukuthi mara umdlali so why bangamthathanga why umdlali so bamthethe ku national team. So kuningi okwenzakalayo kule football la khona uthi uyabheka sibaningi sifaka isandla ukuthi ucoach agcina enza ama selection nalawa sibona ukuthi ama selection look at now uyambona Sibilibili was playing kuMarumo Gallants. I mean ku-TS Galaxy. But angikhumbula bizwa uSibilibili. But ufikile wadlala 3 games wenza into umehluko omkhulu wawenza ku-Orlando Pirates and he was selected. Look at
So you're saying so what you're saying is Pirates
No. Ungangifaki amagama emlonyeni. I'm trying to say those 3 teams kulula to play kubafana if uzodlalela ama team afana nalawo. To be honest with you, uma uzodlala ku the big 3, it's easy for you ukuthi ungadlala kubafana. But uma ngabe uyodlala kulama team amancane like now if umdlalo ofana nobani nginike example uyambona uNdlovu jersey number 8 we Golden Arrows that guy if he can sign What a player. That guy, if he can sign one of the biggest team, yeah, like South Africa, uzoyithola call up Bafana Bafana. But now I told.
Okay, so but still, Bobo, I hear you are making a lot of good points, but the fact remains, Sundowns scouting the national team, they put those players from the bench, then Hugo Bruce doesn't select them. It does kill Bafana. I'm not moving there. Yes, Sundowns did well last time where there were lots of South African players who nearly won the Africa Cup of Nations. I congratulated Sundowns for that many times. But still, players like Pasatini being signed by Maolo Sundowns, one of the top left backs in South Africa. Then you're playing him in the right back. Half time, you put them, you substitute him, then you don't play him. I honestly feel that is killing national team. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for all our
Coach KB, can you
viewers.
hear
Thanks so
Nadim
much
Brian?
for supporting us, guys. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. That's it for all of us. This is Bobo and Coach KP.
Asikuzwa Brian, asikuzwa.